The 997 is not made for lifting and supporting by a conventional jack and stands. It is designed to be lifted and supported by the 4 factory lift points, and that is it. The 997 Gen 2s do not even come with an emergency roadside jack. That is how much Porsche does not want the vehicle lifted and supported by any way other than by 4 lift points. While you can lift the vehicle from the lift points with a conventional jack, you should never do any work without the vehicle being supported by jack stands. Never get under a vehicle when it is just supported by the jack. You can see from the rear of the vehicle that once the factory lift points are used to lift, shown here by the lift arms, there is no easy place to put a jack stand. The front is just as bad for lack of jack stand placement once the factory jack points are used to lift. This image shows the vehicle safely supported on a lift. With the under trays removed, you can see there is no place to place your jack stands. If you're going to be DIYing on your 997 and or other vehicles, Pelican recommends the Quick Jack. It will safely raise and support the vehicle. The lockout means that once the vehicle is up and locked, it will stay up safely. The blocks go between the factory jack points and the Quick Jack and leave room to remove the under trays. The front lift point is shown. This image shows the rear lift point. The Quick Jack will safely and easily lift and support your 997. As a matter of fact, every project included in all 165 of the 997.2 DIYs can be performed on the Quick Jack. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.